Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the ADA chart. The Cardano chart, one of the most popular cryptos here on this channel. I get requests for this chart again and again, so we want to take a look at it. Chart has been in the correction for a long time, so we want to take a look at key levels together and long-term targets. Let's go. We are on our website dailymarketupdate.com. Here we navigate to our cryptocurrencies section. If you're interested, feel free to register on the website. It is completely for free and you can get access to all of these updates. As you can see, you also get written updates. But today we'll take a look at the chart here live. And this is the long-term chart. I always like to show the larger time frame, the context first for clarity, so also new viewers know where things could be going. And yeah, the ADA chart is still, in my opinion, one of the stronger ones in this cycle. That's also one reason why we cover it. I mean, there are so many other cryptocurrencies that are already at all-time lows, and ADA is still holding above 2022, 2023 lows. However, obviously, it's time for the bulls to turn up, to show up, and to generate some upside momentum to continue to move higher in this third wave. We're going to take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute, but yeah, this year it's time for it to turn to the upside. Ideally, the price holds above last year's lows around 31 cents, 30 cents, so that would be crucial. And to the upside, yeah, I mean 251 is a key level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to unlock prices in that long-term target range of $5.27. $5, yeah, 27 plus rather, up here. So this is a long-term target range, which, I mean, I've always said we don't say this will be reached like next week, next month, maybe even not yet next year. But when things start to get going in the crypto sector, which would typically be the case in a third of a third wave, so a wave 3 of a third wave to the upside, well, then we can get there fairly quickly. Now, just to explain, this larger degree third wave above is in itself a 5-wave pattern. So larger degree, larger time frame wise, the third wave in this one should actually be a parabolic phase. Clearly not happening yet, okay, but I'm just trying to explain what the structure would be. So typically the third wave is the strongest. This is a third wave. But also you see how before, in the previous bull market, the market needed some time to really build momentum. So we just have to be a bit patient. And of course, there are always levels that tell us, when something isn't playing out. So like for always, there are risk management levels that we are taking a look at, like the 31 cent level below the red line. I mean, if it breaks below that, that's the first warning that the bulls are losing control. Yeah. And we might see a reset of a larger degree wave 2. Then the price will have to build another 5-wave pattern to the upside to indicate that the trend is turning back to the upside. I mean, we are approaching, in my opinion, attractive prices again, but without a local setup to the upside, I would still be careful. As you can see, we need a break above this previous wave 1 high to signal that blue wave 3 is unfolding. For now, the local trend is still down, and I think it could still carry on for a little while. And it might actually be that we're going to test these previous swing lows. At least it seems likely at the moment. What we're always watching for is a micro 5-wave move to the upside from a low. That would suggest that a local low has been established here. Hasn't happened yet. And also what you can see is that this correction has turned into quite a complex one. So we're labeling this as a WXYXZ pattern. This is a very complex correction. The correction could have completed already here. We had a trading area there. I mean, it did lead to quite a substantial bounce, but the price could not generate a decisive upside breakout, not a sustained upside reversal. And we're now approaching those lows from, let's say, from last year. But we're not there yet. As I said, I think in the short term it could go a little lower, but this pattern is now also pretty full. Now, a full wave pattern doesn't confirm that we're turning around, and actually it should get a lower low, so we might go a little bit lower, possibly even here below the 51 cent level, which is this previous swing low, just to complete this complex WXYXZ pattern. And we just need a little bit of patience for this correction to complete. These crypto corrections, especially after these rallies that are always quite fast, generate FOMO. And then, you know, after these strong rallies, the market just needs time to correct. And it feels like forever, especially in this cycle. But I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure you register on our website. It's completely for free. Link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.